The vastness of the cosmos holds countless mysteries, with Earth as a focal point of undiscovered history. Ancient monuments represent tangible links to the past, yet many secrets remain concealed within their ruins. History is an ongoing exploration, with each discovery revealing new layers of understanding. Ancient scrolls and books unveil the theme of lost technologies. Forgotten mysteries continue to baffle modern experts. These lost technologies represent a reservoir of untapped knowledge. 5 ancient mysteries challenge our modern understanding of history. These enigmas stand as testaments to the ingenuity and complexity of ancient civilizations. Each mystery offers a unique perspective on the capabilities and knowledge of the ancient world. The Baghdad Battery, an ancient artifact, was discovered amidst Mesopotamian ruins, highlighting its historical significance. The battery's age and origin within the Mesopotamian civilization contextualize its potential technological purpose. The discovery site emphasizes the artifact's connection to ancient technological practices and historical context. The Baghdad Battery consists of a clay jar, a copper cylinder, and an iron rod. The copper cylinder acts as a cathode, while the iron rod functions as an anode. An acidic electrolyte, such as vinegar, would be required to facilitate ion transfer and generate electricity. The Baghdad Battery is hypothesized to be capable of generating small amounts of electricity through electrochemical reactions. The battery's construction involves a copper cylinder, an iron rod, and an electrolyte solution within a ceramic jar. One potential use of the Baghdad Battery could have been electroplating, applying a thin layer of metal to an object. The true purpose of the Baghdad Battery remains unknown, shrouded in historical uncertainty. The exact mechanism of the Baghdad Battery's function is not definitively understood. Whether the Baghdad Battery was actually used as a battery is still a matter of speculation. The Baghdad Battery is an artifact that sparks debate about ancient technology and its potential uses. Its existence challenges conventional understanding of ancient technological capabilities. The true function of the Baghdad Battery remains unknown, underscoring the limits of current historical knowledge. The Lycurgus Cup appears as an ordinary glass cup under normal lighting conditions. The cup's dichroic properties cause it to change color depending on the light source. Nanoparticles of gold and silver embedded in the glass are responsible for the cup's unique optical properties. The Lycurgus Cup exhibits unique optical properties, appearing green in reflected light. When light shines through the Lycurgus Cup, it dramatically glows red. This color transformation is due to the presence of tiny gold and silver particles embedded in the glass. The Lycurgus Cup contains dichroic glass, which appears different colors depending on the light source. This effect is due to tiny gold and silver nanoparticles embedded within the glass matrix. The specific size and spacing of these nanoparticles cause selective light scattering and absorption, resulting in the dichroic effect. Did the Romans accidentally invent nanotechnology with the Lycurgus Cup? The Lycurgus Cup exhibits dichroism due to nanoparticles of gold and silver embedded in the glass. This accidental discovery suggests advanced material science knowledge potentially predating modern understanding of nanotechnology. The Lycurgus Cup may represent a deliberate masterpiece of ancient Roman craftsmanship. The cup showcases the advanced skills of Roman artisans in manipulating glass and precious metals. Its unique dichroic properties suggest a sophisticated understanding of material science in ancient Rome. The Lycurgus Cup presents a dazzling riddle due to its dichroic properties. This ancient artifact changes color depending on the light source, an effect not fully understood. The cup's unique properties raise enduring questions about the advanced technology of ancient artisans. Roman dodecahedrons have been discovered at various archaeological dig sites across the former Roman Empire. These artifacts provide insights into the daily life, rituals, or technological capabilities of the Roman civilization. Archaeological digs continue to unearth these enigmatic objects, sparking ongoing research and debate about their precise function. The Roman dodecahedron is characterized by its unique 12-sided shape. These enigmatic objects are typically constructed from bronze or stone. The function and purpose of the Roman dodecahedron remain unknown. One theory suggests Roman dodecahedrons were tools for measurement, aiding in surveying or astronomical observations. Specific markings on the dodecahedron may have corresponded to standard units of measure, facilitating calculations. Calculations involving the dodecahedron's geometry could have assisted in determining distances or angles for practical applications. One theory suggests Roman dodecahedrons were religious artifacts, imbued with symbolic significance. Potential symbolic meanings include representations of the cosmos, deities, or ritualistic calendars. These artifacts may have been used in specific religious rituals, though the exact nature remains unknown. One theory suggests Roman dodecahedrons were tools used to aid in knitting. The dodecahedron's holes may have been used to gauge yarn thickness or create consistent loop sizes. This theory positions the dodecahedron as a practical tool in ancient textile production. The Roman dodecahedron is a small, hollow object made of bronze or stone, with 12 flat pentagonal faces. No ancient texts mention the Roman dodecahedron, and its true function remains unknown. Numerous theories exist, but none are definitively proven, leaving the dodecahedron one of archaeology's enduring mysteries. The Phaistos Disc was discovered in the Minoan Palace ruins on the island of Crete. The Phaistos Disc is a mysterious artifact from the Minoan civilization, covered in unique symbols. The purpose and meaning of the Phaistos Disc remain unknown, sparking numerous interpretations and theories. The Phaistos Disc is an ancient artifact with unique symbols pressed into its clay surface. The disc's symbols are arranged in a spiral pattern, suggesting a narrative or sequence. The purpose and meaning of the Phaistos Disc remain a mystery, intriguing researchers and historians. The Phaistos Disc may contain a prayer, offering potential religious interpretations of its symbols. Deciphering the symbols could reveal the disc's connection to ancient religious practices and beliefs. Analyzing recurring symbol sequences may unveil the structure and intent of the hypothesized prayer. The Phaistos Disc may contain a narrative sequence represented through its unique symbols. Hypothetically, the symbols could illustrate a story or event through a series of related images. The disc's symbols, when interpreted as a narrative, offer a potential glimpse into Minoan storytelling methods. The Phaistos Disc may contain a complex code from an ancient, unidentified civilization. Decryption attempts involve statistical analysis of symbol frequencies and pattern recognition. Potential decryption methods include linguistic analysis and comparison with known ancient scripts. The Phaistos Disc remains undeciphered, its symbols and language unknown. Despite numerous attempts, the disc's meaning continues to elude linguists and historians. The Phaistos Disc stands as an enduring enigma, challenging our understanding of ancient languages. The Alexandria coastline provides the setting for the Great Library. The library was a beacon of knowledge and scholarship in the ancient world. The library's location on the coast facilitated the exchange of ideas and cultures. The Great Library of Alexandria housed an extensive collection of scrolls and manuscripts, serving as a repository of ancient knowledge. Scholars meticulously cataloged and preserved the texts, contributing to the library's reputation as a center of learning and scholarship. The library's organization facilitated the study and dissemination of knowledge across various disciplines. The Great Library of Alexandria was reputed to contain all the knowledge of humanity. This extensive collection made it the largest and most significant library in the ancient world. The library served as a repository and center for research and scholarship. The Great Library of Alexandria burns, symbolizing the catastrophic loss of ancient knowledge. The destruction of the library represents an irreversible setback for human intellectual progress. The library's demise signifies the fragility of knowledge and the importance of its preservation. The Great Library of Alexandria's destruction resulted in an irreversible loss of countless scrolls and texts. Lost inventions, philosophical insights, and scientific discoveries were potentially contained within the library's collection. The library's burning symbolizes the catastrophic impact of lost knowledge on human progress and cultural heritage. The Great Library of Alexandria, once a beacon of knowledge, now symbolizes the fragility of human understanding. Its destruction resulted in the irretrievable loss of countless scrolls, representing a permanent void in human history. The mysteries contained within those lost texts remain unsolved, forever eluding our grasp and fueling endless speculation. The Baghdad Battery, consisting of a clay jar, copper cylinder, iron rod, and electrolyte, can potentially generate a small voltage. When connected in a circuit, the Baghdad Battery may facilitate the transfer of metal ions from an anode to a cathode. This electroplating process could deposit a thin layer of metal onto an object, altering its surface properties. The Lycurgus Cup changes color due to the presence of gold and silver nanoparticles embedded in the glass. These nanoparticles exhibit surface plasmon resonance, selectively scattering light based on its wavelength. The cup appears green in reflected light and red when light is transmitted through it, demonstrating this unique optical property. The Roman Dodecahedron may have served as a surveying tool for land measurement. Its faces and apertures could have been used to determine angles and distances in the field. By aligning the dodecahedron with landmarks, surveyors could establish precise land boundaries. Numerous attempts have been made to decipher the Phaistos Disc, yet its meaning remains elusive. The unique script and unknown language on the disc present significant challenges to linguistic analysis. Comparative analyses with known ancient scripts have yielded no definitive matches, hindering decryption efforts. The Great Library's lost scrolls potentially detailed advanced inventions. Imagining these inventions reveals a potential repository of forgotten knowledge. Visualizing lost inventions showcases the advanced technological understanding of the past. Alternative theories propose the Baghdad Battery was used for medical applications. Some researchers suggest the Baghdad Battery may have been used in religious rituals. These theories challenge the conventional understanding of the Baghdad Battery's original purpose. The Lycurgus Cup's dichroic effect is due to nanoparticles of gold and silver embedded in the glass. Modern nanotechnology utilizes similar principles for medical imaging, enhancing contrast and resolution. Advanced materials also benefit from nanotechnology, improving properties like strength, conductivity, and reactivity. The Roman dodecahedron's purpose remains debated, with one hypothesis suggesting its use as an astronomical instrument. This hypothesis proposes that the dodecahedron could have been used to measure angles and predict optimal planting dates based on celestial events. By aligning the dodecahedron with specific stars, ancient users may have tracked the seasons for agricultural planning. The Phaistos Disc presents unique symbols that have defied definitive linguistic connections to other ancient scripts. Comparative linguistics involves analyzing similarities and differences between languages to establish historical relationships. Challenges in deciphering the Phaistos Disc stem from its isolated nature and the limited context available for its symbols. The Great Library's survival could have dramatically accelerated the advancement of science and technology. Preservation of ancient texts could have provided crucial insights into lost civilizations and historical events. The library's continued operation might have fostered greater cultural exchange and understanding between different societies. Modern recreations of the Baghdad Battery demonstrate its potential to generate electricity. The battery's design facilitates an electrochemical reaction when filled with an electrolyte like vinegar. These experimental recreations validate the Baghdad Battery's capability as a voltaic cell. The Lycurgus Cup's glass contains nanoparticles of gold and silver, which are responsible for its dichroic properties. The cup's unique color-changing effect is due to the way these nanoparticles scatter light depending on the light source's position. The nanoparticles were likely created through a process of adding gold and silver salts to the glass mixture during its creation. The Roman dodecahedron may have functioned as a gaming device. Its 12 faces and varying hole sizes could indicate different game outcomes or point values. The object's unique geometry could have provided a random element in ancient Roman games. Statistical analysis can be applied to the Phaistos Disc symbols to reveal underlying patterns. Identifying recurring symbol sequences may indicate potential linguistic structures within the Phaistos Disc. Analyzing symbol arrangements can provide insights into the Phaistos Disc's organization and possible meaning. The Great Library's destruction resulted in the irretrievable loss of countless significant works. Speculative catalogs attempt to reconstruct the contents of the lost collection. These catalogs serve as a testament to the enduring importance of lost knowledge and cultural heritage. The cosmic starscape symbolizes the vastness of history. Ancient monuments fade into starlight, representing mysteries that remain. The vastness of space underscores the enduring mysteries of the past. History's greatest mysteries remind us that there is always more to discover. Unanswered questions drive continuous exploration and the pursuit of knowledge. Embrace the unknown and continue exploring the mysteries that surround us. Engage with our content by liking this video to show your support. Subscribe to our channel for more captivating content and regular updates. Share your thoughts and favorite mysteries in the comments section below.